on the sea. Morning whispers set me free. Waves are dancing with the sky, and every shadow passes by. Mountains painted soft and blue, every color feels so true. In the silence I can hear a distant voice becoming clear. The wind is moving through the trees, carrying forgotten dreams. And in that moment you can see the world alive inside of me. Nature in my soul, like a river flowing home. Every leaf, every stone shows me I am not alone. Nature in my heart, like the stars inside the dark. Every light I see outside is a reflection deep inside. Endless fields beneath the sun, all the scattered pieces one. Clouds are drifting far away, taking all my fears away. In the middle of the lake, I can feel my spirit wake. Every breath and every sound brings me gently to the ground. There is loving through the trees, carrying forgotten dreams. And in that moment I can see the world alive inside of me. Nature in my soul, like a river flowing home. Every leaf, every stone shows me I am not alone. Nature in my heart, like the stars inside the dark. Every light I see outside is a reflection deep inside. Ocean in my eyes, sunrise in my mind. Every path I walk reveals the hidden beauty of my life. Nature in my soul. Nature in my soul. Every light I see outside is a reflection deep inside.